Hello everyone, my name's Ellie Hughes and I'm the Digital Graduate Officer for the Digital Improvement Office, and this is session 4 of Microsoft Teams Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pin chat messages, how to create rich messages and announcements, how to use keyboard shortcuts, and organise your teams and channels. To show you how to pin chat messages, we're going to select the chat icon on the left-hand side of your screen, and you can then scroll to the chat of your choice. I'm going to be using myself and Ellie's chat. When hovering over Ellie's chat, 3 small dots will appear to the right. When clicking on this, a drop-down box will appear where I can then select Pin, which will move the chat to the top of the list under the Pinned section. This is useful for important chats and also as a reminder to reply to a conversation if you're currently busy. To move my chat with Ellie back to my recent chat, I can then select the 3 small dots again and click Unpin in the drop-down bar. The next tip is creating rich messages and announcements within your Teams channel. Begin by selecting the Teams icon on the left-hand side of your screen and scroll into the team and channel of your choice. I'm going to be using the Teams Guide team and the General channel. When selecting this, you can then select New Conversation and then click onto Format in the icon bar at the bottom of the page. You'll now see the option to add a subject above your chat box. This is useful if you are sending an important message to your team, as it allows the message to stand out. Especially when searching for past messages, it will help you to identify the chat thread a lot easier. I'll begin by typing Teams Welcome in the subject bar and Hello in the chat box. You can then click Send. You can then again click New Conversation and again Format. And just above, you'll see a drop-down box which says New Conversation. You can select this and change it to Announcement. Here you will now have a large box to type your announcement into, where you can also change the colour scheme of your box or add a background image. I'm going to type Hello All. Just above, you can then choose whether everyone can reply to your announcement or yourself and moderators only. And next to this, you also have the option of posting into multiple channels. This is useful if you have a big announcement that you want everyone to see. You can click onto Select Channels and tick the boxes of the channels you would like to send your announcements to. I'm going to select my Teams One channel, and you can then click Update. Going back to the chat message, I'm going to type hello in both the subhead and message. And you can then click Send. Here you can then see that my announcement has been sent into both my General channel and also my Teams One channel. The next tip is keyboard shortcuts. In order to view all shortcut keys, you can select both Control and Full Stop on your keyboard. And on your screen will appear all of the shortcut keys available to you. The next tip is how to organise your teams and channels based on what's most important to you. You can begin by clicking on one team, holding and dragging it to where you'd like it to be. So I could drag my DA team to the top of the list or down to the bottom. You can also hide teams which you may not use as much. I'm going to be using the Teams Guide team by selecting the 3 small dots to the right of the team and selecting Hide in the drop-down box. This will then send the team to the bottom of the list under Hidden Teams. I'm still a member within all of these teams, even though they're hidden. If I wanted to bring this team back, I could select the hidden teams, and I could then select the 3 small dots to the right of the team, and then click Show. You can now see that it has appeared back in the list. There may also be channels within your team that you use a lot, so you can select the 3 small dots next to the channel and from the drop-down box select Pin. This will then appear at the top of your teams and channels. If you wanted to move this back down the list, you can again select the three small dots and click Unpin. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you require any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact the Digital Improvement Office via email on dio@rctcbc.gov.uk. Thank you.